So I have a lot of opinions on this. They might be controversial, but okay. So here's the thing. Be confident. And I know that might seem like really, okay, easier said than done, but I'm telling you, confidence is everything because energy transcends looks. You could be pretty, you could be handsome. If you don't have confidence, the world will treat you like you're ugly. I'm telling you right now. It's a dog eat dog world out there. That's just how it is. People are always looking to assess who's weaker and who's stronger in any given situation. People are always looking to assess who has the power and who doesn't. So if you lack confidence and people sense that about you, and people will sense that about you, they're going to give you scraps. They're going to give you the bare minimum because your energy is showing that you're going to take it. And if you do take it, that's just going to reinforce it. And I'm not going to sit here and be disingenuous and say that looks don't matter, because they definitely do. Pretty privilege does exist. It's a very real thing. But there are things that you could do to combat that. I've seen people who are not all that attractive get treated like royalty because they had the confidence. They came in there like, you ain't gonna tell me nothing. You ain't gonna tell me what's what. You can't tell me about myself. I've seen people with beautiful features, gorgeous features, but they're treated like crap because they're very, meek, and they're very timid, or sadly, like, they kind of feel awkward in social situations, and that means that they have a creepy demeanor. So then people don't even see their attractiveness because, again, their energy is what's coming through. So what do you do about it? Two things. You improve your appearance where you can, because some things you can change and some things you can't. And you learn how to project confidence even when you don't feel it. Personally, I think for at least the majority of people, it's not that they're ugly, it's that they're frumpy. Do you dress well? If you don't know, get somebody honest to tell you. If you get a lot of compliments on how you dress, that's a clue that you dress well, because if you dress exceptionally nice, people will almost feel compelled to tell you. If you wear glasses, do you have an updated nice pair of glasses, or did you just get like the cheapest thing from Walmart or a department store? Now, some people, that's all they can afford, but for glasses wearers, I see this all the time. Glasses will make or break your look. Are you well groomed? Do you have a nice haircut? Do you have a flattering hairstyle? That sort of thing. If you're a man and you have facial hair, is it nicely trimmed and shaped, or is it scraggly? If you're a woman, are your eyebrows done? Are you good at doing your makeup? Stuff like that. Next thing, confidence. Get it out of your head that you're ugly. Okay? Do not insult yourself by saying stuff like this to yourself, because that is going to impact your confidence. It's going to impact, and the way you talk to yourself on the inside, you're going to see it reflected in how others talk to you, because like I keep saying, your energy is going to exude. If you exude the type of energy that you're the type that looks down on themselves, people will look down on you too. And even if you don't feel super confident, a good way to is body language. Learn to have confident body language. Speak clearly and firmly and confidently when you have something to say. Assert yourself anytime someone messes with you. You can do it calmly, but you have to do it quickly. Otherwise, people will get the idea that they could talk to you with disrespect. And speak up. Don't be afraid to say your true opinion. Don't be afraid to stand out from the crowd sometimes when you think it's what's right. And don't be afraid to let your voice be heard. I hope this helps. Keep your head up.